Good day, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Thanks for joining me in the no bra zone, guys. I spent about an hour this morning moving my lights around and experimenting because my paintings just seem to look either too brassy or too dull when I'm videotaping them, so I'm experimenting a little bit, and I hope this works out a little bit better. I moved my lights to in front of me, kind of shining down, so I'm hoping this is good. I'm hoping this is good. I reached out this morning to my painting peeps. I said, guys, send me some colors, send me some techniques that you would like to see. And one of my favorite painting peeps, Lucas Bear, who I have watched grow in his painting journey. Hi, Lucas. He recommended I use the following colors. Red, which, Lucas, you know I don't use a lot of red, but I'm happy to do this for you. He suggested red, turquoise, gold with black and white in a swipe. So Lucas, this is for you. Let's talk about our colors. Well, our canvas first. This is a cute little 10 by 20. I love them for little swipes. I think they're just a good size to play with, and I love the elongatedness of it. So our colors today in this pretty cup right here is a combination, and I'm going to spell this. I'll say it, alizarin Crimson Hue by Golden, and I mixed it with a little bit of the Deco Art Extreme Garnet. And it's a real pretty color combination, guys. Our next color is one of my favorites, the Golden Turquoise, which I mixed with a little bit of the Deco Art Teal. Once again, a really pretty combination. This is one of my favorite colors, guys. Next, we have everybody, or most people's all-time favorite, Deco Art Metallics, and this is the 24 karat gold. In this color, Lucas, instead of white, I'm going to have white on my base coat, but instead of white, I did a mix of Deco Art Metallics and Golden Iridescent Pearl. And right here, instead of black, I'm going to be using the Extreme Sheen Obsidian, OBSIDIAN. I can barely read that, guys, but I will post a picture of all of these paints in the video. Now, my base coat is going to be a combination of Artist Loft Black and Artist Loft White. So, Lucas, you got all your colors. I just threw this baby in because I thought it played really well with this garnet. So, I'm going to put some music on, put some snazzy music on for you. As always, I'm wishing you all a fabulous, healthy, and safe day, guys. Thanks for joining me.